Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're going to be offering here a 75 Z1. This belongs to our customer Dan, and he's just kind of downsizing. So what we're going to do here on this bike, we redid this bike several years ago. It's dusty. We're going to clean it up and everything. I fell in love with this bike when I first saw it. This is original paint, 14,800 miles. It's got new tires on it. We're going to put an exhaust on it, and we're going to put the original seat on it. And then we're going to put the luggage rack. Or I'm sorry, we're going to remove the luggage rack, and then we're going to put the original grab bar on here. And we're going to get rid of these lowers here. These lowers are cool sometimes, but one thing I don't like about them is because the butt sits down so low, the motorcycle doesn't lean as far as I'd like it to. So we're going to remove the shock lowers from it. But I mean, if you look at this bike, you're seeing it as is, how he had it stored. This had a complete service, and we're going to make sure it runs and everything. Maybe we'll drop the bowls and the carbs, I don't know. But just all the hardware, this is a very, very, very nice unrestored motorcycle, and we're going to put the nice seat on it. It's got a sealed battery in it. That's got the nice tool tray, and I have the book and some other small goodies for it, along with the records of the service. So we're going to be putting this together here next couple days. Looks like it's original spokes. It looks like, the bike looks like it's all dead nuts on. So this will be, I look for this to be a great everyday rider for someone, or a nice piece to put in their den or whatever they want to do. It's got gorgeous, fantastic grips. Got a little bit of seepage coming out of the front master cylinder. Still has the original coating on the levers. I believe these are the original mirrors. I'm looking at the cables. They've got the original Kawasaki part number on them. I mean, this is what you want if you're looking for a totally nice piece. Okay, well, thanks a lot for looking, and we'll be offering this soon. Okay, here's the toolkit that we have for the 75 Z1. It looks like it's fairly complete. This is how we have it. You got the wrench here for the shocks. You've got the screwdrivers. This got bent for some special reason. I don't know why. Spark plug, wrench, Kawasaki pliers. Got your wrenches here. But now the most important thing is in this pouch right here, we got the feeler gauge. And I don't know if this has ever been out of the package or not, and I don't think it really has. Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. But anyway, this is super nice. So this is the toolkit, and it's not really gooned. It's actually pretty nice shape. It's showing its age, but it's starting to rip a little bit here, but this is all pretty nice. Then we have the tool tray, which is very nice, and we have the book that's really nice with a wiring diagram. The pages aren't gooned. Got some nice pictures of the bike. Looks like someone has made their own lines in here and stuff, but nice book. Okay, here's our dead nuts on 75 Z1. We'll start at the front, go to the back. It's got new Messler tires on it. The bike has been completely serviced. We have a list of stuff that's been done to it. If you look closer, we still have the coating on the levers. Got the original petcock. The carbs have been done. These are new replacement pipes. Got a new Messler tire on the back. I want to say, with the exception of the reproduction pipes and the tires, the bike is 100% stock. Now also, See how nice the springs are, and these are genuine shocks. This is nice. There's not really much bad we can say about it. If you look at the motor, it's just so clean. So this had a complete service job on it. If you look here underneath the seat, this is one of the things that's not stock. As we showed, the toolkit is just about complete. You got the nice book under here. It has a sealed battery, so we're no longer using the vent tube, which is a good thing. New air cleaner. Now the paint is original. It is faded, but it's original. So we're looking inside the tank, and the tank is just like out of sight nice. It's nice. We've got the original grips. Very nice bike. Got the genuine Kawasaki keys, got the key fob. We just got done washing it, so we're going to see if it starts. Choke is on. Key is on. Try to ride this bike for 100 miles if I get the time, just to see if we can find any bugs in it. I don't think there's any bugs in it at all. This is a great unrestored bike. It's fantastic, all original. So we're going to be putting this on eBay for sale. Good luck bidding on it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call us or ask us. Okay, thanks.